Welcome to the installation video for the sink front tip-out trays. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tape measure, bubble level, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a tip-out tray, hinges, number 8 by 1/2 inch truss head screws, number 8 by 5/8 inch flathead screws, and a template. From the inside of your cabinet, use a pencil and trace around the inside frame perimeter of the sink front panel. Mark a small T in the center to indicate the top of the panel. Now remove the front panel. Next, carefully remove the extension template from the hinge template. Align the right corner of the extension template to the right corner of your sink front panel and mark 2 hole locations. Repeat on the other side. Measure and locate the center of your frame perimeter. Now find the center of your tray. Align the center marks. Position the tray at the desired height within the traced perimeter. Ensure the tray is level and mark the top of the tray holes with your pencil. Place the provided hinge template on the cabinet's side wall. For frameless applications such as ours, mark all 4 hole locations. Repeat on the other side. For face frame cabinets, mark only the front 2 holes over the frame. Before pre-drilling, it's a good idea to put a piece of tape at the base of your bit to use as a guide to help prevent you from drilling all the way through the front panel. Using a 3/32 inch bit, carefully pre-drill the marked locations. Do not drill all the way through the panel. Also, do not pre-drill all the way through the side of the cabinet. Attach the left and right hinge to the sink front panel using the truss head screws. Loosely screw in 2 more truss head screws, leaving just enough room to insert the tray. Line up the entire sink front assembly within the cabinet opening. Use the flathead screws to attach the hinge to the cabinet's side wall or face frame. Secure the tray and gently tighten the screws, leaving them just loose enough so you can remove for cleaning. Repeat the process if adding a second tip-out tray. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.